Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a duplicate copy of your original video file to preserve a backup. Choose a video editor that supports separate audio tracks like Premiere, DaVinci, or Free Shotcut. Open the copy in the editor and locate the timeline where the audio and video are linked. Unlink or detach the audio track so the video and audio can be edited independently. Confirm project settings, match your original video's frame rate and resolution. Now you are ready to mute or delete the audio track and continue editing the silent video. Select the audio track on the timeline by clicking it once to highlight it. To mute, toggle the track's mute button. To remove, choose delete or cut. If audio is embedded, use the detach audio command to split it from the video clip. Trim any silent gaps or adjust the clip length so the visual timing remains correct. Play back the timeline and check that lip sync or sound-dependent cues are still appropriate. Export the video using the same codec and resolution, and confirm the audio track is absent. To replace sound, import replacement audio, align it on the timeline, and adjust levels to -6 dB. If you only need silence for part of the clip, use keyframes or split the clip and mute the segment. Mobile apps like iMovie and VN allow detaching audio and saving muted videos quickly on phones. Always save a labeled version like video muted or silent export to avoid overwriting the original file. For bulk work, use a command line tool like ffmpeg with an flag to remove audio from many files at once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.